Hello, my name is Justin Keeney. I am currently enrolled at the University of Wisconsin-Green Bay, going for a major in mechanical engineering, and today I was hoping you would like to take a look at this project I made. It is a 4-finger thumb release, which is used in archery, so whether that just be target practice or hunting. So jumping into this design, we can see that it is a 4-finger, so your index finger goes through the closed loop, and then middle, ring, and pinky, where your thumb activates or acts as the trigger on this type of release. So looking at the way this mechanism works, we have the jaw here, which you would loop your D loop, which is connected to your bowstring, right here, and then when enough pressure is pulled back on the thumb, this will swing open as this spring is keeping this bar in place. So when the jaw is then being opened, this will cause the rod to bend and the spring to decompress, and your arrow will be released. So my favorite thing about this project was probably making the spring, just because it's something I hadn't ever done before, and it is, I think, what makes this a little unique. So we can go here and just see how this works. So we made the top to the bottom, and you can see here, this is what the outside and finished product will look like. It is connected through 4 different pins, and so yeah, there is a proper technique when shooting a thumb release, and that is you want it to be a surprise shot. So what that means is when you are getting ready to fire your arrow, you want the release of it to surprise you. And so how that is done is when your thumb will rest right here on the barrel, and you hit your back wall on your draw, so that is when you're not actually pulling any more bowstring back, but you are at complete full draw, and then you keep just a little bit of pressure and keep going, and then boom, eventually that arrow or the bowstring will release off the jaw there, and the arrow will be released, and it should surprise you, and that is proper form and proper technique, and usually leads to much more accurate shooting. So yeah, that is my 4-finger thumb release I made. I drew a little bit of inspiration from Carter releases, and there's also some Scott archery releases that are similar. And so yeah, it is a 11-part design with 8 unique parts, and yeah, thank you for taking the time to look at this, and this is just a little demonstration of my ability to work in SOLIDWORKS. Thank you.